Bring your Spotify experience to life by enabling Canvas. In this quick guide, you'll learn where to find the setting and how to turn it on in just a few taps. First, open the Spotify app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you're signed into your account and that you're using the latest version of the app, as some settings may vary slightly between versions. Next, tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will open your account menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy to access Spotify's app settings. Scroll down until you find Content and Display. On some devices or app versions, this option may appear under Playback instead. Open the appropriate section and look for the Canvas setting. Once you find the Canvas option, tap the toggle switch to turn it on. When the switch changes color, usually green, the feature is enabled. You can now return to your music and enjoy animated visuals on supported songs. Keep in mind that not every track includes a canvas animation. The feature is only available for songs where the artist has uploaded one. Also, if you are using data saver mode or have limited connectivity, Canvas may not appear until those restrictions are removed. You have successfully turned on Canvas in the Spotify app. Enjoy a more engaging music experience with animated artwork that brings your favorite songs to life.